We are going to do two sideswap tricks, the 4-4-1 and the 5-3-1. Enjoy! Which beanbag? Hello! My name is Daniel. Welcome to Circus-expert. A sideswap is a kind of trick in which the order of the balls are changed, whereas in a cascade they all follow up each other and I always get, for example, green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange. If I do a sideswap trick, the order might change those balls. So like now I have green, orange, blue, and those tricks, well, the sides of the balls are changed and it gets very technical. There's a mathematical logic to all of this that you don't need to know in order to follow this video. But some people dive really deep in it, and some people even write their master thesis on it. I wouldn't know somebody who did that, except, yeah, we're going to keep stuff simple today. We're going to do the 4-4-1 and the 5-3-1. We start with the 5-3-1 because I think it's easier to follow. In juggling sideswap, we call a normal throw a 3. All throws that are odd are crossing throws. So 3s are normal 3-ball throws that cross to the other side. A 5 would be a 5-ball throw that crosses to the other side. And a 1 would be a 1-ball throw that crosses to the other side, or a zip. If we combine a 5 and a 3 and a 1, normally if I throw a right ball and a left ball, the one that comes from the right hand lands first and the left hand lands second. But if I imagine this first ball really high and the second ball low, then the green ball can arrive before the orange one does. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Oh, orange, blue. So the blue one's going to be my 5, the green one's going to be my 3, and the 3 will land before the 5 does. So I do 5-3, land, land. The green one arrives before the blue one does. One more time, 5-3, land, land. I can do the same with a 3 and a 1. So the 3 is being thrown and the 1 arrives before the 3 does. I throw the 3 from my left hand, that's the blue one now, and the green one arrives before the 3 is caught. 3, 1. So you see the 3 is in my hand before the blue one does. If I combine all of this, I have the 5 that is thrown first and the 3 is thrown second. The 1 is thrown last but arrives first, then the 3 does, then the 5 does. So it's a high, middle, low ball and they arrive in the opposite order. High, mid, low, or 5-3-1. 5-3-1, 5-3-1, 5. I can keep doing this pattern continuously. So I always have a high ball, a middle ball and a ball that I just zip between. It's a bit hard to look for me at the zipping ball because it's so low and I need to focus on my high ball. So I'm actually looking up at the highest one, and even the 3 is almost not in my vision. But because it's such a small throw, I hardly need to see it. And I can do this out of a cascade. I can juggle my normal 3 throw, and at any moment I can do a 5-3-1, 5-3-1. I can keep them very slow, but if I speed up a little bit, I can keep them quite low as well. This one was the easier of the two sideswap I want to teach today. The other one is the 4-4-1. And where odd throws always go to the opposite side, even throws end up in the same hand, because a 4 refers to a straight throw that goes from one to the other, just like what you do in 4-ball juggling. You throw the ball straight up and you catch them in the same hand. So I combine a 4-ball throw with another 4-ball throw, and then the 1 we already know is a zip from one hand to the other. 4-ball throw, 4-ball throw, 1. 4-4-1. 4-4-1. And then I need to do this on the opposite side. I start with the right 4-4-1 and then the left 4-4-1, because the 4 is right hand 4, left hand 4, right hand 1, left hand 4, right hand 4, left hand 1. 4-4-1, 4-4-1. And actually it can be helpful for you to mime this pattern. So rather than actually making throws, try and count with me. 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1. It takes a bit to get used to this pattern. It's like a waltz a bit. But once it is in your fingers, it's not so hard to throw it, because the throw is actually really easy. 4-4-1, 4-4-1. It's just straight up, 1 to the other side, straight up, 1 to the other side. 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1, 4-4-1. I can do it very slow, or I can bring it low and make it really fast. I can also make the pattern wider and it becomes more interesting. And now I'm throwing the balls inside to outside, but I can do variations such as throwing the balls outside to inside, and then it looks even a little bit nicer and wider. That is the 5-3-1 and the 4-4-1. And you can combine them, of course, or put normal juggling cascades in between. And that is the beginning of hopefully your sideswap juggling journey. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for many more videos, and see you perhaps in the next one. Goodbye.